welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be using the Colourpop It's My Pleasure palette, and I think I'm going to do like a very simple smoky purple eye like I did with the blue eyeshadow look. Just keep it short and simple. I'm just going to sit in my house anyway, so let's go for it. With the It's My Pleasure palette, I'm going to go in with the shade Kitten Fish, and I'm going to pack that on my lid, and I did not set my concealer. Fan Fiction. Pack the shade Sleeper onto the lid. My Colourpop headliner palette, and I'm going to go into this purple shade. I don't know what the shade is called offhand, but I will link it in the description. Then I'm going to take Chicken, and I'm going to use my NYX matte liquid liner. prime my face, I'm going to be using the NYX Bear With Me primer. I'm going to use the Maybelline Master Prime Primer, and this is in the Blur and Smooth. Wet n Wild PhotoFocus foundation, and this is in the shade Golden Beige. I'm going to put it all over my beautiful face. And I'm going to go back in with the CoverGirl Golden Sand Undercover Concealer, and shade Lyric and Levitation, and put that under my under eye. It's time to bronze. I'm going to be using my NYX matte bronzer, and this is in the shade Deep Tan. Now in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This is my favorite and it smells amazing. Maybelline loose powder in the shade Light Medium 20, and just put that on my sponge and for blush, I'm going to be using Milani's Luminoso. I love how it has like a little bit of shimmer in it, but it's very light. It's very glowy. The NYX Duo Chrome highlighter, and this is in Lilac Steel. And for my inner corner, I'm going to go in with the BH Cosmetics Eye Lights, and this is in the shade Sight. with the Kiss lashes in the style 11. I'm going to go put those on and then I'll be right back. Hey everyone, I'm back and my lashes are on. Now I'm going to do my under eye and then lips and then set this bad boy into place. Eyeliner palette and grabbing that same purple shade. Use my Colourpop eyeliner, and this is in the shade Piggy. I absolutely love their colored liners. Like literally they stay put and they're so pigmented. Like if it's purple, it looks purple. It doesn't look like any other shade and it's not like faded. It's so pretty. With my Colourpop Curvii lip liner, I'm going to line my lips. My ultra matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Fuego, and it's from Colourpop. Set my face with the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. If you enjoyed today's video, then please don't forget to click the like and subscribe buttons down below, as well as that notification bell. And also every product I used today, as well as my social media links, will be put into the description.